Alright, day 2. Team's in the background. We're at an area called Dick's Plateau, which is right beside the biggest dragon blood tree forest in the world. And the views are pretty nice. With the boys, Corey and Clark, Anthony Middleton. We're in the southern beach here. It's quite beautiful. No one else is here, which is nice. It means that Brian can get his sexy body out without the locals being offended. We're at Calasia Beach on the west of the island. And no one to be seen. Oh yeah, looks like it's a friend. There's fish jumping out in the back of it. Oh, what the? Run away. Oh my god. Wow. Just climbed the highest sand dune in Saqطrى, and I'm dead. Go on, Brian, jump in for the vid. The last day of the trip today, we're at Home Hill, which is where that little swimming pool is. Wow, it's gone fast. We camped last night on the beach, climbed one of the biggest sand dunes in Saqطrى. Last glimpse of the dragon blood this afternoon, and then we hope that the flight goes back to Cairo tomorrow. Beach, most beautiful beach in the world since Saqطrى, Yemen, and check out the sandbar. Well done, mate. Well, my mum made it. Now she's on her way down.